card here, press subscribe for more videos round and about Britain. These are the floods between Leominster and Hereford. I'm just on the train, Transport for Wales. Considerable amount of flooding here. Not sure if this is from the River Wye, it's from that river there, whichever that river is we just went past. That seems to be the end of it for now. There's a bit more. Yeah, still more. Wow. And on the other side we actually have proper lakes. Right, this is flooding on this side. Lovely church there, coming into view. And I'll put on the description what the name of the river is that's flooding. See, that actually looks like the river there. Lots of geese using it. I think that's the end of the flooding. Press subscribe for more videos round and about Great Britain.